Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to upload shorts on your YouTube from your PC. So as you can see here, I am on my laptop here. I will just go and click on create and I will just go to my upload section and I will upload a video. So let me show you the duration of a video. It is 59 second, okay? So your video should be 59 second, otherwise this video will convert it into log form if the video length is 60 seconds or more than 1 minute. So make sure this should be 60 seconds or 59 seconds, right? Or lesser than 59 seconds. And it will just take a few seconds to upload, just like how you upload a normal video. You don't need to select any option to convert into shorts or long. Automatically, YouTube will identify that this video belongs to short because the length of the video is 59 seconds, less than 60 seconds, right? And as you can see here, it just take a little bit of time, and automatically when I just go to, I will select here no. I will just go to my, I will see here you will find an option of video elements. As you can see here in long form, you always get option to add the end chapters. But right now, as you can see here, there's no such thing. There's an option of add related video, which only we get an option in the short. Right, so I can just add here in the check and visibility. Once you go to the visibility, just make sure you publish to the public, and that's how automatically it will treat it as a short, as you can see here. So I will just go to and click on publish here. It just take a little bit of time here and I can just go and open it up. So let's say I will just click on this link. I will redirect it here. As you can see here, this is a short, right? So this is how it's work. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.